Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're at the Hux World, by this time you all are making up your mind on what you're gonna do for the weekend, whether to go out, whether to hang out with family and friends, or maybe just maybe relax. Whatever the case might be, do it well. All right, you all, this is Triple Play Saturday round 3. Let's get it started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 3. This is the end of the lineup, but still, all in all, you got a few watch faces to choose from on what you're going to do. This is probably close to the end of the weekend. You're getting ready to make up your mind what are you going to do, if you're going to hang out with family and friends, if you're going to go out for the night, or if you're simply just gonna rest. Whatever the case may be, make sure you do it well. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of this watch face is called DSS Bronze Digital. Very nice look. It has a retro look, not bad at all. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna get a red digital clock. Very plain, very simple, and very basic. When the watch face is on, at the top you're greeted with, of course, your battery percentage. You have the day of the week. You also have your date. You come down, you get your digital time, which I thought was very unique, very different. And you also can customize it. So if you don't want that to be in 12 hours, if I hold right here, tap, I can change it to 24 hours, which isn't a bad look. Now the W represents whether your Wi-Fi is on or not. This represents whether your Bluetooth is on or not. And this one here lets you know which one is in, whether you got it on 12 hours or 24 hours. There's no other customization to this. This is what you get. This one here is 79 cents in the Gear Manager store. It's not a bad look. It's definitely a different look if you're trying to go retro and unique. All right, you all, again, hit me in the comment section down below. I want to know your thoughts on these watch faces. Hit me at the bottom. And with that being said, I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy, have fun, party like it's 1999, but most of all, be safe. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care. What do you think about that second hand?